Hello. It's Vlogmas Day 9. And we have these ones.
Oh, itong dalawa lang.
Santa candles.
Santa candles.
Ayan, 4 sila. 50 pesos yan guys. Naka-sale kasi. We have some egg and tuyo for breakfast. Let's eat. Hey guys, so it's now 11:35 and I just finished wrapping some presents which I included in a previous vlog. So if you haven't watched it yet, I included it in day 6, but now we're going to be bringing them down. So we have a lot. Come on, let's bring them down. Hit my head in the process. Can you open the door? Yeah. Mikylla said she can't tell what they are. Of course, no one could tell what they are.
Except for the big one, because, you know.
Quiet, quiet. It's in the vlog. It's in the vlog. Eating a candy cane. Whoa, this feels different. So we're using Mikylla's camera again because that's Mikylla. Thank you. Everybody say thank you, Mikylla.
Thank you, Mikylla.
There you go. And I am bringing my charger outside because me and mommy are working outside. Here we go, Dazed. Snack time! And it's number 2. Smile for the camera, sweetie! Sweetie, smile for the camera. Okay, up your nose, up your nose. There you go. Oh, nice angle, nice angle.
Gosh.
Oh.
Wow. Oh no.
Oh, bye-bye. Hey guys, Mikylla's attacking me right now. I feel so attacked.
I'm not attacking you.
I just asked her a question and
Oh my gosh, elayyn.
just kidding.
Okay.
Having hot pot for dinner in our costume. I mean uniform.
I don't know why. Costume Halloween.
Sorry. We're gonna make hot cocoa. So while we're heating up our milk, we're gonna be preparing the mixture. So we will be using this one tonight. We have the Tim Hortons Hot Chocolate Smooth and Creamy. And it says here that you're going to place 3 tablespoons of this mix and add 1 cup of hot water or hot milk. So tonight we're using hot milk. So yeah. And of course, to be festive, we have our gingerbread mugs. Okay, so I put whipped cream and cocoa powder on top. Let's go deliver it. Hot cocos!
Yes, choco. It's not. I'm blue. Hi, Wayne.
Miss Janica? Oh no!
Oh, careful, guys. Thank you so much.
Miss Mikylla?
Thank you.
Miss Megan?
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. This
And-
was so well made done. Well done made.
Thank you.
Made well done.
Thank
Done
you.
well made.
Yeah.
I don't know, Elaine.
I disconnected once again.
I'm dying.
It is now elayyn versus Mikylla. My night's RKVC. And it's embarrassing, Mikylla, huh?
No, no worry, no worry. Wait.
How dare you! So for the sake of the vlog, Mikylla lost to me.
No! The vlog, you have to admit.
Draw kasi ayaw niya magpatalo. Gosh!
Right.
I just wanna win! Nakailang wins ka na, tapos yung closest I'll get to a win is a draw?
Yeah.
That's right.
What the freaking?
Right.
The fire is slowly dying, and my dear was still playing. But as long as you love me so, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.